This is how you can make title cards like this for your projects in under 5 minutes. So before I tell all of my editors out there the sauce, pay attention to these 3 windows and these 3 steps so you don't get lost in the sauce. What we want to do is we want to open our graphics templates, and let's choose a template and then add it to our timeline. Okay, now we can edit the title as well as the caption. Okay, once you're done, you want to go to the property window and you want to just delete all the layers of text that you didn't use, because for this template I had extra text that I didn't need, so now I'll just delete the lines that I didn't use. Okay, so now we're going to start customizing. And while we're still in the properties windows, we want to use the align tool to align our text. And for me, I want mine in the middle, so that's where I'm going to put it. Now we can tweak the color. The next thing that we're going to do is adjust the height of the entire graphic. And once I'm happy, I'm going to just go ahead and choose a font because I'm not going to keep this one. I chose to increase the spacing between the words in my font personally. Okay, now we're gonna add a drop shadow. Okay, now let's get a preview. And I don't like how the white text on the bottom is appearing so quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually change the animation. So we're gonna go to our effect controls, and then we're gonna go to the opacity. And what we're gonna do is we're going to go to our opacity keyframes, and we're gonna take our last keyframe and then just drag it back a little bit in our timeline. And basically what this does is it makes it take longer for the opacity to reach 0 for anybody who never used any type of keyframing before. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our scale and we're gonna click that stopwatch so we can enable our keyframes. And we're gonna put 1 keyframe on the first frame and 1 on the last frame. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on our last frame and we're gonna just increase the size of the scale. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna make a zooming in animation. Okay, now that we're happy with how that looks, we are done. So let's get a preview of how our original clip looks and what our work looks like.